This is the new project. It's a Massimo Mini 125cc go-kart. This one has a oil leak in the back, but I've already got it fairly teared down. I have a piece I need to put together that needs to be welded. But it should be a decently quick repair. I have to take the body off, take all of that off so I can get a good look at the engine, which is what I'll show you. Alright, here's the line for parts. All have been taken off, including the main body. And now you can see oil is all over it. It's all over this pipe. It's all over my arm. It's on everything. But next I'll probably focus on getting the subframe taken off, which I think is just these shock bolts, these mounting bolts, and a couple of cables and wires. But that'll be not today.